Okay, you're welcome once again to this channel. If we are to find the derivative of y with respect to x, given that y equals to x raised to the power of 3 and bracket x minus 5 to the power of 2. By summary, given that y is equals to x to the power of n, so the derivative of this dy all over dx is the same thing as you bring this n down, then you subtract n by 1. So this is the general form of solving any differential equation. But in this case, we have a rule. This is in form of a product. We have a bracket and also a term outside. So for us to solve this, we let this one to be u, we let this one to be v. So by implication, y will be equals to uv. In cases like this, then dy over dx is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So in this situation, we'll differentiate u with respect to x, v with respect to x. So here we have, since u is equal to x cubed, du over dx is equivalent to 3x to the power of 2. Using this rule, we brought this down, we reduce it by 1. The same thing for v equal to x minus 5 to the bracket, and then we have square. dv over dx will be equivalent to, we'll bring this down, this will be 2, and then we'll reduce it by 1, it will be 1. We differentiate x is 1, so times 1 in bracket, we differentiate constant is 0, we still replace this one, so that 2 minus 1. So this finally will give us 2 in bracket x minus 5, which we can write it as 2x minus 10. So we have dv dx, we have du dx, we can substitute everything here in order to find our final result. So dy over dx is equals to, our u is x cubed, times dv dx is here, dv dx is 2x in bracket minus 10 plus our v is this, so it's it's x minus 5 all squared times du dx is 3x squared. So having gotten this, we can simplify this. If you check in this term, we have x squared, we have x cubed, so we can factor out x squared, so that we have x squared in bracket x, there's x remaining here, in bracket 2x minus 10, then plus here we have x minus 5 in bracket square, close the bracket. So checking this one here too, we have x minus 5 here, so we can factor this out to have x square bracket x minus 5, then in bracket we will have 2 remaining here, so this will be 2x plus x minus 5. So by implication, this is equivalent to x square in bracket x minus 5 close bracket, then this plus this will give us 3x minus 5 close the bracket. So we can decide to open this bracket all, or we leave our answer in this form. We can open the bracket to make it one equation, or we leave it like this. Whichever one is still the same. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe.